Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice glossy blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, with black trim along this vehicle, blind spot detection. And moving to the front here, we do get that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior. You got some storage, cup holders, storage in the back, a little handle here. Floor mats, you do get cup holders here as well that you can remove, just as easy as that. 2 USB-Cs, and of course you do get a lovely rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the back here, we can see, or at the front, we can see this vehicle does have a manual driver's seat and a manual passenger seat. Same cloth interior you saw on the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, gas cap, and trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 14 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, drive modes, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We do get a nice digital speedometer with lane centering. We have My View, trip and fuel, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To remember, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction, cup holders, and tons of storage. Engine starts up with 12-volt USB and USB-C. We got your volume, playback, play forward, comm screen, hazards, max temp, and auto hold. You do get some nice storage below with a nice information system. Storage above as well. We do get a nice powered moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our home screen here, you get all your climate controls at the bottom, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your settings, just your normal vehicle settings, features of the vehicle, towing owner's manual, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA38076, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.